Okay, we're looking at the continuous power output for monopolar cut and coag. So we're setting the upper limit is set to 85, the lower limit to 65, the power output is 75 watts, and the load is 300 ohms. I'm creating an asset ID for 0003 and the test sequence, which is the same. Okay, we're going to start the test. Again, we're looking at the RMS current. Currently it's reading 489 milliamps. Within the manual it says it should be 499 plus or minus 38 milliamps. Next we're going to move on to the monopolar coag output. So again we're going to go into the setup menu to create a new test sequence for 0004. This time we're changing the load to 500 ohms. The power output is going to be 30 watts for coag. The upper limits and lower limits will change, so the lower limit is going to be 20 and the upper limit is going to be 40. We'll reduce the test time to around 14 seconds. Okay, here's an example of a diagram. It will be the same the diagram shown will be the same connections from the unitherm. All you have to do is change the connection from cut over to coag and ensure that it's at 30. And create the asset ID as previously mentioned. Okay, we're beginning the test for monopolar coag. This time the RMS current is meant to reach 245, which it states in the manual, plus or minus 19 milliamps. The reading we have is 237, so that's well within its limits. Also note a crest factor, which is 4.79. A high crest factor is a good indication of good coagulation.